Probably typical Premier and Fair, and if so then they backslash are going in the right direction. Smile. Okay, it backslashes a bit, out of the way backslash for the center but not too far away that you spend most of the day on public transport. Staff were incredibly friendly and helpful.
Yeah, there were very minor maintenance issues, but that backslash is the engineer in me picking up on these things that most people would be oblivious to. And one big towel for 2 people isn't backslashed sufficient.
I've massaged my clients here, so I knew what the rooms are like. Premier rooms are always big and spacious. We didn't have breakfast as I had to get to work early in the morning, but I have stayed in Premiers before and always loved the continental breakfast.
Expensive, basic hotel. Was given a room with no phone so could not call any facilities. Was not told that room had no phone while checking in. When questioned, stall just said sorry, saying maybe you were given a new room. Certainly overpriced and not Premier.
The kindness that even think he was the duty manager showed us after what was an emotionally tough day for us. If Premier Inn read these reviews, look after this guy. He understands customer service and human kindness that you do not normally find in a business operation.
Breakfast could be better. Sausages were poor quality and the bacon undercooked. The food is placed under heated lamps, but they place food at the back so when you lean in to get something it burns your arms.